tinctures are a really popular way to consume CBD, and they're actually preferred by most Relief Scout customers. What's great about them is that it has a pretty quick onset, but also long-lasting effects. The way that you use a CBD tincture is that you put the oil within a dropper or a pipette and put it under your tongue. Let it sit there for about 60 to 90 seconds and then swallow. You have a lot of receptors under your tongue that allow your body to easily absorb the CBD that's within the product you're consuming. Now, one thing to note about tincture is that it can be very bold and earthy in flavor that some people don't really like. What you can potentially find are tinctures that are actually flavored, like peppermint, for instance, or if you're interested in mellowing out the flavor, you can put it in something like a smoothie. Tinctures are definitely preferred most by Relief Scout customers for a couple of reasons. One, it's got a really good bang for your buck, and two, it's easy to measure and play around with the dosage to find out what's best for you. PlusCBD Oil is the brand name under the company CV Sciences. They're based out of Las Vegas, Nevada, as well as San Diego, California, and they offer full seed-to-sale traceability of every single product that they sell, which we really love. They currently hold Good Manufacturing Practices certification. They're currently a member of the U.S. Hemp Roundtable. They provide certificates of analysis for each and every product that they sell. And one thing that we love the most is that they're a socially responsible organization. They donate 30% of their profits to cannabis research. The PlusCBD Oil Gold Formula has 750 milligrams of full spectrum CBD, and it's got a really great terpene profile with relaxing and soothing effects. And what we found is that around 80% of the people who buy from Relief Scout this particular product like to use it at the end of the day to wind down, but particularly after a workout to help ease with aches and pains in the body or to help speed up workout recovery. It's got a great price per milligram. We have it in a few different flavors, goji berry, peppermint, as well as unflavored. Everything's third-party tested. They pass with flying colors. And in this 2-ounce bottle, it will probably last you around 45 to 60 days.